has been a meaningful journey that helped me grow both personally and socially. One of the most impactful topics was who am I and what am I, which challenged me to reflect on whether I truly know myself. This experience was emotional for me as it made me realize the importance of self-awareness and understanding who I am. NSTP also taught me practical lessons like discipline, resilience, and the value of small actions such as folding the Philippine flag or learning about the fire safety and drug prevention. It opened my eyes to the changes happening in the world and how we often don't notice them until they've already impacted us. This awareness was both eye-opening and sobering, reminding me to adapt and stay proactive. NSTP taught me that while not everything is within my control, with effort and determination, nothing is impossible. This lesson will guide me now and in the future, helping me become a better individual and a responsible citizen.